Hi guys, my name is Morgana LeBold. I own Red Door Consulting, and I am so thrilled. I just got done with Suzanne's amazing workshop, Be a Better Speaker, and I am just feeling super inspired. I got to spend the afternoon with a bunch of wonderful ladies who are, working on their own speaking abilities, and I just have to say, anybody who is interested in getting into the speaking arena, maybe doing workshops, or maybe just becoming a better public speaker, Suzanne is your gal. So everything was really fun. We just learned so many things. Like, I can't wait to get home and work on this over the weekend and tonight. And she's amazing. I'm just so happy that I did this.
What's the one word you remember out of this class? The most important word?
Cohesiveness.
Close!
Coherence.
Awesome.
So, this is why I have my book in my notes.
Excellent. High five. Good job. Woohoo!